Welcome to AlloyGator. Today we delve into the essential world of wheel care. Protecting your wheels is as crucial as any other aspect of car care. Discover how AlloyGator stands as a premium shield for your alloy wheels. Alloy wheels enhance the aesthetics of your vehicle, but are vulnerable to damage from curb scrapes and harsh impacts from potholes. Such threats pose not only cosmetic but also safety risks and can lead to costly repairs. AlloyGator isn't just any wheel protector. This meticulously designed product offers a robust barrier between your precious alloy wheels and the tough road environment. Made from super tough nylon, AlloyGators fit snugly around your rims, delivering unparalleled protection. Choosing AlloyGator provides comprehensive protection designed to absorb shocks and impacts. Available in various colors to suit your style, they're built to last, offering a cost-effective solution to protect your wheels. Maintaining your AlloyGators is as simple as your regular car wash. Regular cleaning and occasional checks ensure they remain securely in place, keeping your wheels in top condition. Protect your alloy wheels with AlloyGator.